This video will help you to remove the ransomware called BlackByteNT. BlackByteNT is the ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their computers. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them. Well, before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no any troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this BlackByteNT ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. So it is soon not possible to use the data. The ransomware encrypts files and damages the data considerably. So now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware appends this special extension to the file names, and the extension is BlackByteNT. It's not possible to open the files. The ransomware also drops this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. So don't pay it. Don't waste the money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then click on Start a Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Then most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data. So, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the system. We recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.